Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can actually create multiple accounts on a single app. For example, if you are using WhatsApp, you can only create one WhatsApp account, right? So if you want to use the create the second account, you have to download apps like GB WhatsApp, right? Basically that's how you do it, right? But there is a secured method to it. There is a way you can actually create a second account without using any apps. So in this video I will show you guys how you can actually create that. So let's go. So currently I'm using my OnePlus mobile. So from there just go to settings, and from there just search parallel apps. Okay, parallel apps. Here you can see the parallel app, just click it, and here you can see the supported apps. And for example, I'm just gonna take WhatsApp. Now you can see parallel WhatsApp has been created. So if I just go back, and in apps I'm just gonna search WhatsApp. Here you can see to WhatsApp right there, right? So if I just click this second, the new one that I created, you can see I can actually create the second WhatsApp account, right? So that's how you guys do it on OnePlus mobile. Of course, different mobile companies have different settings on their phones, right? So I'm just going to show you guys how you can find the dual apps on each of different companies. Okay, so just follow these steps. So I hope it is helpful for you guys, and like always, see you guys on the next one.